This is
Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB-Bo and Redbus.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
Today is yet another special and it's called Wonder Woman on Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie and joining me today from the city of Mumbai is Haranjan Kaur Gad. She is a holiday expert and for the past decade she has been giving people different plans and exploring the world herself too, because how can you do a job better if you're not in it fully? Haranjan, it is so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
Hi Annie, how are you? It's so nice to be on this show.
तो आप तो वंडर वुमन है ही क्योंकि आपने नौकरी, घर, being a mother, being a daughter-in-law, being a daughter, being a sister, being a friend, सब कुछ बैलेंस कर लिया है and have been with MMT for 10 years. So सबसे पहले तो ये बताइए कि MMT के साथ ये लगाव क्यों है?
MMT, it's given me that opportunity to do something again. So I was working before marriage. I was in JP Morgan. And then I got married and my in-laws didn't want me to work. So, ठीक है. And I became a good daughter-in-law. But then this job came up. I got to know this from one of my friends that MMT is a company who's giving us that opportunity to not waste our education, sit at home and earn. That was a very big thing for me. And luckily I gave the interview, got selected, and then rest is history. In fact, I'm a rank holder in tourism. So I've done my graduation from NM College. So I got to do what I was learning. And traveling was always my passion. So Make My Trip has given me that platform that I'm sitting at home, I'm doing everything. But I have that respect in my eyes because I'm earning as well and I'm independent as well.
That is so good. It's something that most women are still kind of finding their way through to be able to break all those glass ceilings और ये खुद को कहें कि ऐसी एक opportunity आए तो अच्छा रहेगा क्योंकि you kind of start valuing yourself more than you used to before.
True. Because there's so many things that you can do yourself and the others also respect you.
Correct.
So I'm not saying that ladies who are sitting at home, who are housemakers, they don't do anything. It's a very big job.
Yeah.
But balancing this along with it, you yourself respect. So then others also respect you. So
Absolutely.
That's how it is.
खुद की नजरों की बात सिर्फ नहीं है, ये बाकियों के नजरों में भी आप मतलब काफी उठ जाते हो. Literally taking the family and keeping the family together. And so yes, we do need a good balance of everything. But you are a Wonder Woman today for us here on Go MMT Radio. It is lovely talking to you. I'm going to ask you more about your experience, not only at MMT, but also traveling, designing sort of trips for people, for clients and things like that as we go along. So tell me your experience of, traveling along with giving these plans and ideas to clients. How did that work out? How were you able to balance it all?
So what happens is, Annie, when we're designing packages, so I put myself in the customer's shoes, right? When I do that. You're making memories for them. So you want those memories to be good. So when you're doing that, you also feel like, ki jaake aate hai, yaar. Practically, we need to see that place.
Yeah.
So my family is very happy ki if she's selling a lot of Bali, to abhi Bali jaane milega. That's how it happens. So I've traveled many destinations after I've started working. So I tell my husband, chalo 10th anniversary hai, I am giving you a gift. Let's go to Bali. So that's so nice because that opportunity I get. And then when you go and see that place, you design the packages more better.
Correct.
That's how it has been. And then, then you come to know, acha, this hotel we've been selling, this activity we should give like this. So there's so many things to learn.
Absolutely.
So this is what Make My Trip.
That is so nice. चलिए इसी बात पर और भी बातें जरूर होंगी about travel क्योंकि आप करती ही वो है, आपका specialization वो है. But right now we're going to break into a rapid fire round. Are you ready for this?
Absolutely. On it.
The Rapid Fire Round.
What's your go-to way to escape a never-ending, small talk conversation अगर किसी ने शुरू कर दिया और आपको मतलब भागना है वहाँ से, क्या करते हो?
I'm just getting a very urgent call from the client. I'll just call you back. Work is important. Work is worship. यार ये तो सीक्रेट लीक कर दिया आपने.
मुझे लगता है ये तो हर किसी का सीक्रेट है.
हाँ, बट ये करना ही पड़ता है, क्या करें. And sometimes काम कर we get so tired also कि बात करने का दिल ही नहीं करता है. अभी जाते हैं यार, why talk?
Yeah. Have you ever written an email that you immediately regretted sending?
हाँ, I have done it और वो recall भी नहीं हुआ था मेरे से, हो जाता है.
Your favorite imaginary job title that you've given yourself when playing office जब आप बच्चे थे तभी make believe office वगैरह खेलते थे तभी कोई job title दिया होगा खुद को, याद आ रहा है कुछ?
I used to always be the manager. कल परसों I was talking to my husband that I used to love playing office और इसमें मैं manager बनती थी and I used to only sign checks. बट ऐसे होता नहीं है यार, बड़े होके जीपे यूज होता है यार, चेक्स का चलते हैं आजकल.
I know. Acha, since you're working from home, what's the oddest item you've seen in your fridge?
Like keeping like myself जो मैंने रखी है और my child someone has kept.
किसी ने भी रखी होगी और आपको लगा ये क्या चीज अभी पहुंच गई यहाँ पे.
तो बच्चा छोटा है. I've seen all type of toys in the fridge. I've seen my bangles in the fridge, my jewelry in the fridge.
Hi.
Many things in the fridge. हाँ, बड़ा कुछ देखा है वो. Because when you are small and you know you on a call, you know what your child is doing behind. He's just messing the whole.
Absolutely. Now, have you ever pulled a prank?
Yes, many times. Called up my husband, told I've met with an accident so that he comes early from work. बड़े जुगाड़ किया ये वाले हमने.
What's the quirkiest item on your desk? बड़ा ही quirky है. You're looking around.
Aam papad. I'm looking around.
Aam papad is quirky. Okay then.
Digestion. Because you're sitting, right?
I know. What's the most ridiculous office rumor you've ever heard?
So this is not from Make My Trip. It's my earlier company that I was working with before marriage, and they said the company shutting down within a month. आधे से ज्यादा लोगों ने, and it was a big company, आधे से ज्यादा लोगों ने other company में कम में मतलब they took this job up so that they don't from here, and it was all rumors. So होता है.
If your nature, your personality were an ice cream flavor, what would it be?
Chocolate.
Nice. With that, we've come to the end of the rapid fire round. We're going to slip into a song, come right back and continue talking about travel, your job, everything that helps you become a Wonder Woman. Don't go anywhere. This is Wonder Woman on Go MMT Radio. I'm your host, Annie. Stay tuned.
क्या हुआ यार, गाना क्यों अटक गया?
हाँ, वो इसलिए क्योंकि मेरा फेवरेट गुलाल लाल पीला है और मैं तो होली के ख्यालों में खो गई थी. बस आपका फेवरेट रंग कौन सा है? मैं नहीं डरता, भले ही पीपीटी और चैट जीपीटी में फर्क समझ नहीं आता?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
Go MMT Radio. Go.
For the next few weeks, women are going to get a little extra attention because they deserve it all, and we're nearing Women's Day celebrations too. Now, from being multitaskers to always putting everybody around them, friends and family, before their needs, women have always been taking it all on themselves. Well, things are changing, and we do know that the support that they receive from their partners, from their family members, from their children is so important to help them thrive in what they can do best, which is keep the family together and also try and look after themselves. But that doesn't happen without the help of people around them, which is why GoMMT has taken this initiative. Now, here is a concern that is being brought to your notice. Cervical cancer, which is the fourth most common cancer in women globally, with around 660,000 new cases coming in almost every year. In 2022 alone, these many cases were seen. Early vaccination is a critical step in reducing the risk of this disease, and which is why I'm very happy to inform you that We Care Fund Committee has decided to offer cervical cancer vaccination reimbursement of 70% of the actual cost, up to a maximum of 10,000 rupees to all the lady members of the We Care Fund scheme. Now, this amount will be reimbursed on my claims once a year, and so we encourage all the We Care Fund lady members to take advantage of this benefit and make their health a top priority. Because if you're in good health, then everyone around you will continue to remain in great health. Don't forget to look it up on the HRMS platform Darwin Box and check out We Care Fund Scheme for more information. This is Annie, and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Stay tuned.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
On the show with Haranjan Kaur, who is an holiday expert, and she is the Wonder Woman today. She's based out of Mumbai. This is the last segment. It's called Never Have I Ever. Do you like playing this game, Haranjan?
Yes, why not?
The rapid fire round.
Never have I ever pretended to be on the phone.
I have.
Okay. Never have I ever met a celebrity.
Oh, I met many. I've
Yeah?
been to most of the award shows. Yeah, many shootings, most of the award shows, most of the pictures, everyone. Right
Oh.
from Ranbir Kapoor to Shah Rukh Khan, all of them.
Oh my
I'm a big
God.
Bollywood fan.
Yeah, but
Total Desi. Yeah.
very good. Never have I ever broken a bone.
Touchwood, no, Baba. तोड़ना भी नहीं है.
Never have I ever Googled myself.
I have. ज़्यादा नहीं आता है यार. करना है कुछ लाइफ में.
Never have I ever traveled solo.
I have traveled solo for my THMs that we have in Make My Trip. And that too after 35 years. Like, I've been a very good girl. The first time I've traveled is last year to Jaipur, matlab. And that too my husband encouraged me to do that. So yes.
Nice. Never have I ever seen a ghost.
No, I've never seen a ghost. Yaar, देखना भी नहीं. I don't want to. I'm very scared.
Never have I ever laughed so hard I spit out my drink.
I've done that many times. I always do that. Keep throwing water here and there in the house. So yes.
Never have I ever sleepwalked.
Sleepwalk? No. I deep sleep only mostly. No, I've never sleepwalked.
Never have I ever gone to a party I wasn't invited to.
No, I've not done that.
Never have I ever cheated on a test.
Cheated on a test or a no. Once an answer sheet was given by mistake by the school. In fact, I went and told the teacher. I've been a good girl, I told you, no?
Ah, good. Never have I ever eaten someone else's lunch from the office fridge.
Good girl types, I say.
Never have I ever used a fake ID.
No.
You
Never.
haven't. Okay. Never have I ever fallen asleep at work.
Many times.
Yeah.
Zoom meetings pe many. Sorry.
And never have I ever gotten into a physical fight.
Oh, many times with my brother. In fact, with my son also.
Nice.
Like,
Never.
Many times.
Good. Never have I ever gone snowboarding.
Snowboarding, no.
And never have I ever read a partner's text messages. Maybe your partner's text messages.
Yeah, I've done that many times. Sorry.
And the last question, something that your parents taught you or your mentors taught you, जो कि एक ideal होगा, जो आप मतलब बहुत दिल से follow करती हैं.
What my parents have taught me, or my mother especially, is do anything that you're doing that God is watching. So even if nobody's watching, you still don't do wrong. Because see, it's all going to come back. Be good to people. So that's what I believe in. Never hurt anyone because that's going to come back to you.
Oh, all right. That's something that you hold very close to your heart. That's something that you hold very close to your heart. And I think it's important to have such values that you hold closely because it's not just you, your children also follow you, watch you, and it's important to live by example. Isn't it?
Absolutely, Annie.
With that, well, we've come to the end of the show. It was lovely talking to you, Harranjan.
Same here, Annie. I love the way you say Wonder Woman. You know, it gives you so much of pride that you're saying that. Thank you so much for that.
Absolutely a reason for you to be proud. You're well deserving. Not only have you been with MMT for such a long time, but you've been an example to everyone who's, looking at trying to balance things, and you've been able to work that out. Of course, it comes with the help of, support from your partner, which is a very, very big deal. So congratulations on being a Wonder Woman.
Thank you, Annie. Thank you so much. It was such a nice pleasure to talk to you.
And wishing you all the very best that you grow to even greater heights here at MMT.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Harranjan Kaur, a holiday expert based out of Mumbai on the show. Yes, she is the Wonder Woman today on Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. With that, yes, it's a wrap. I will be back on Friday with Filmy Friday. Till then, keep smiling.
होली कब है?
क्योंकि ये कौन बोला?
होली कब है? कब है होली? अरे ओ सांबा होली कब है? होली खेले रघुवीरा
साला नौटंकी खड़ी ड्रामा करता है.
होली कब है? कब है होली?
14 मार्च को है.
अब आएगा मजा.
On Go MMT Radio.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.